My name's Alan Hart, and the question I get asked a lot is how much do I make from YouTube? So I've got 8.6 million views at the moment, and I think there's about 22,000 subscribers. So I'm going to show you totally the stats in depth, and I'm no expert on these stats. So if anybody knows more than me, just click a comment below and tell me. But I'm going to show you how much I've made from YouTube, fully in depth, and yeah, let's have a look now. First of all, what is my channel about? So my channel is plumbing and heating. I'm a plumber and I live in Leeds, and I'm trying to raise the standards if possible, and by putting videos on I hope that other gas engineers and plumbers and new recruits into the industry, I don't want to teach them to suck eggs because I'm no amazing expert, but if I can help and try and raise the standards, that's ultimately what my channel is about. But on the back of that, I want to make some money from it long term, but more importantly for me, I want to use it as a tool, as a vehicle really, to continue my charity work that I do, which if you look up there is in memory of my daughter, and that's I'm in a good place. I'm not this isn't sad or anything like that, you know, I'm really happy, but as long term I do try and raise money for that as well. Anyway, I'm boring you now, let's get into the stats. So first of all, I'm going to show you on the app, and I'll show you the last few days. So if I click on, I've got an app on here, which is YouTube Studio. Just click on there, and then in there you can see your stats. And as we zoom in there, you can go on to the overview, and it shows on there that in the last 48 hours, I've got 39,000 views. And then as you scroll up, it'll show you the individual videos and the views, and what we'll do, we'll click into them shortly, and I'll also show you the full amount that the channel has earned since I started the channel. But if we scroll up on here, we can have a look at the watch time minutes as well, and again we can click into that. And then if we scroll up a little bit more, we can also see the views, and that'll show the views in the last 28 days. That app, it shows you there's lots of information in that app, but what I'll do now, we'll click into a video. I'll show you how many views the video has had, and how much that video has earned. Also, bearing in mind how much the video cost to make. So there's a lot of time and effort into making videos, believe it or not. A 2-minute video could take you a full day, which is bizarre. And then again, a 10-minute video sometimes could take you 10 minutes. So it just depends. But yeah, what we'll do now, we'll click into the video and I'll show you on a video. So I'll just click into my channel now, and we'll zoom across here, and we'll look at one that's been on about a week, 2 weeks. So it's been on 2 weeks, and it's new boiler. So we'll click into this and we'll have a look at the stats on this one. So we'll just click into the video now. This is Leeds Plumber, badly installed, new boiler. And at the moment we've had 30,043 views. The video was uploaded on the 1st of February. And it's had 698 likes and 19 unlike, or 19 thumbs down. And then if we have a look at the comments, we've had 118 comments so far. Somebody's put an interesting one there. Don't put up with this, Alan. Dress up Phil Mitchell or something like that. So now we'll have a look at the stats. Click into the stats. So if we have a look here, this is an overview of the stats, and then we can see on here we've got 30,100 views so far, and this is in 2 weeks, so this just shows you the chart of it. We've had 1.9 50,000 watch time hours. We've had 106 subscribers from this video, and this video has earned £53.65 so far. We'll just click onto reach, and if we look onto the reach, it's had 449,000 impressions, and it's had 3.1% click-through rate on that. It's had the 30,100 views, and then if we click unique views, it's had 27,100 unique views. And then we click on the engagement with this, again it's had 1.9 watch time hours, and it's had average video duration 3.41. If we go on to click onto audience, again 27,100, 1.1 per viewer, and plus 106 subscribers. Click onto the revenue. So on the revenue, again it's at £53.65, 24,100 monetarised playbacks. I don't know why some are monetarised and not. And then cost per million. So that just shows you, it actually says on there, estimated average cost, gross revenue per 1,000 playback clicks. I don't really understand how you get paid off this that much, if I'm honest. If anybody does, please click below and give me some advice. I'm sure you'll agree the time and effort that goes in to making a video, you don't make as much money as what people think, unless you start getting millions of views, which I never would expect my channel to do. I'm very grateful for everybody who watches the videos. What we'll do now, I'll show you the full stats for all the channel. Now bearing in mind, I've uploaded probably around 600 videos, so there's a lot of hours and a lot of time and effort gone into uploading all them videos. And if you average, say you've got a day per video with editing and travel, and you know, I've been all over, and if anybody else has got any videos anyway, if you feel you can add value to the viewers, then let me know and I'll come and do a video with you. But yeah, what we'll do now, we'll look at the full stats for the channel, and I'll show you how much the channel, the gross amount, the top amount, what the channel has made, and then obviously I've got the expenses to come off that. My channel, I probably broke even-ish, but the number at the top does look quite high. So what we'll do, we'll zoom in, we'll have a look at that now. So this is the channel dashboard. If we have a look there, channel dashboard. And on this, it gives us an indication about how your videos are doing and things. But the channel analytics, we've got 22,292 subscribers, and that's up 1,664 in the last 28 days. And if we go to views, in the last 28 days we've had 574,000 views. Watch time hours, we've had 37,000 watch time hours in the last 28 days, and revenue for the last 28 days is £1,313. That's the money that's been brought in, and then obviously off that you've got the money that goes out. So we'll go into the channel analytics now. So this is for the last 28 days. If we have a look on the overview, so this is the channel analytics overview. Views, it shows you 574,000 views, which is up. And then we've got the watch time hours, so it shows you that as well. Again, that's up. Subscribers, plus 1,700. So again, it's up as well. The estimated revenue, so this is for this month, the last 28 days. I'll show you the full amount shortly. So I'll show you
what the channel's earned in total over all the years. We'll go to reach, and then this just shows you some more, so it shows you how many impressions your videos have had. So in the last 28 days they've had 6 million impressions, and it's got a 3.9 click through. We've had 574,000 views, as I've said, 282,000 unique views, and this is in the last 28 days. And then it just shows you a chart there of where your impressions, and so you've got a 3.8% click through, and then watch time, it shows you the watch time from that. You can go into these stats, you can see all sorts of different things. Look, click into engagement, you can see how your videos have been performing. So in audience you can see unique views. And click into revenue, that's how much the channel's made in the last 28 days. Again, this is just a insight into all the stats really. 514,000 monetized playbacks, CPM £4.59 over the last 28 days. And then what we'll do now, we'll click into the lifetime of the channel, and if we can see here the channel, it's got an 8642973 views, so that's 8.6 million views. In the lifetime of the channel, it's had 422,000 watch time hours, 22,300 subscribers, total revenue £16,245.45.
So quite a big number at the end, but bearing in mind there's probably, if there's 600, I've deleted a lot of videos, there's probably about 400 or so on now. In total I've done about 600 videos, and I've spent thousands and thousands of hours and hundreds of days doing the videos. Probably I'd say on average this video now has taken me a full day to do the video. So if you say a day per video, say 600 times, it's nearly 2 years of your life for 16,000. So you're never going to be a millionaire, or my channel, I'm never going to be a millionaire, but I enjoy helping people. Obviously from that, if I can get some money back of what I've paid out, that's great. Also if I can raise some money for charity as well, and as I say, ultimately if I can help raise the standards in the industry, I run some groups on Facebook for gas engineers, and some of the questions that are asked are a bit well, they're not the best questions really, you know. So if we can help people in the industry improve, and as I say, I'm not saying I'm an expert in anything at all, but if I can help, I will. If we can help the industry improve, then it can only be a good thing. Also, when new products come out, if we can look at them products, I see lots and lots of new products, and a lot of the time I just think, what a load of rubbish, do you know? So if we can look at these products and see if we think they're worthwhile as well, you know, yeah, I think it's good. Sharing knowledge. If you've got any questions, please ask them in comments below, and that really helps the channel, to be honest. And you know, obviously if the channel grows, then hopefully I'll start earning some income from the channel, and hopefully I'll be able to help the charity more as well with the channel, and then pass more knowledge and information back to the people that are watching as well. I hope you found this video of some use, and I haven't babbled on
too much, but I just felt that people, I don't know, the question about people making money, and I've got no problem at all in making money, and I'm no problem in showing people what I've done and what I make and things like that. I've got no to hide at all. But I hope that's answered some of the questions, some of the critics, some of the trolls. Yeah, all right, well, thanks for watching and have a great day.